I'm back again with a motherfucking video. Hello, hola, bonjour, and welcome back to Kevin Miller's channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. But before I get into what this video is about, please do not forget to subscribe, click like, comment, and share my videos with all your families and friends. Like, come on, you gotta help your girl out. I wanna up my, my subscribe game. Anyway, so let's get into it quickly. Made my closure look like a frontal. Just did some baby hairs at the front with some gel, and I look at that sheen. How people do that. I kind of just styled it and put in this little ponytail thing. There's stuff on here, glue on here from yesterday, and I put makeup on my lace because I didn't want to bleach it, I didn't want to tint it, I didn't want none of that palaver. So yeah, I'm using Got To Be glue gel, wrong way, in the black one obviously because it's black. So yesterday, I don't know, sometimes when I put on my wig, yeah, especially when it's got a middle part, I don't feel like it looks like a middle part at some points throughout the days, and I want to shift it, but I can't shift it, and I want to part it, but if I part it, if I re-part it and stuff, it's going to be looking hella weird. I just put enough glue gel. So I'm going out, get ready to go out, so I'm hoping, not hoping, I want this to basically stay all night. If it doesn't, I feel like, no, I know my wig is 100% secure. I look crazy right now. I look like them nutty professors. It's got the ball patch in the middle of their head and they got the crazy hair, like that. That's what I feel I look like. So I'm going to use my Got To Be glue freezing spray to just give it extra security. Then blow dry it to make the process a lot quicker and to make it more tacky. So now it should be a bit tacky. It's gonna stick it on. Just stick it on, and that's it. As you can see, there is not enough here, so I'm just gonna spray a bit, and just like that. This side, obviously the same issue. Spray a bit, and you'll stick it up. Literally. Okay. So usually I put a headscarf, tights, whatever, and then to make it secure, but I'm running late as per usual, but I look fly as hell, so they gonna appreciate my lateness or whatever. Yeah, so what you gonna do now, make sure that bit sticks, get a clip, or you can even use like a hairband. So you need to get this bit of the hair to go back and out of the way if possible, and yeah. Brush out your baby hairs. Sorry, the wig's baby hairs. I don't know why this long bit is here. I think it's from yesterday. And gel just, got taken away by gel. So yeah, I put a little bit of gel. I'm using Eco Styler gel, by the way. There's like a little bit left in there. So sorry about, when you're just feeling yourself. Oh, child. That's how I feel. Anyway, Yesterday I think I had some like ghetto baby hairs. Well, not so very good baby hairs. So what I've done, I've swooped and then pushed some into here, and the same again. Swoop. Oh, okay. Swoop and push some into here. So obviously there's going to be makeup in it, but that's not an issue. I can sort it out later with some water or any sort of product with alcohol. I was just thinking, imagine after all this prepping to look cute and my friend decides she doesn't want to go. I'll be pissed. That little black thing I have in my hand is a eyebrow comb brush thing, but it broke, so I thought, you know what, let me just use it to do my baby hairs, and I actually prefer it compared to the toothbrush. This makes me feel like I'm back in school. Anyway, you're gonna see like these two the most, these three. You're not really gonna see this, but I'm extra AF. So anyway, to this side. I know you can see my wig band and my wig cap, but you won't see it after I adjust it and make sure my wig is even more secure than just being at the front. The other side is pretty much the same thing. When I finished, I realised they weren't looking similar, but who cares? As long as they're laid and they're looking like I made some effort, that's all that matters. So once I've done that, I then use my blow dryer again to hurry up the process and just make sure it's dry and we're good to go. You want this to kind of stay back. So I normally put this heat defense spray on it, but I think I've definitely misplaced it. So these are some Toni and Guy hair straighteners, and let me tell you, them bad ooh, and they were £30. They're Salon Professional straighteners. They go up to let me see. They go up to 235 Celsius degrees, baby. 235 Celsius degrees. But I'm going to have it at 200 today. And it's got a timer. So it will go off in case you forget to turn it off for whatever reason. And I'm so in love. Well, that's a bit much. But I love these. Can you just see? You know people do that. Bitch, I can do that today. They're my new favourite for £30. £30. So I looked for them on Robert Dyer's. I just typed in Toni and Guy Salon wide plate straighteners, and these came up. I kid you not. There was other companies that were selling them for more, and I thought, nah, I'm gonna buy £30. The only thing though, it took me a few days to get them, which I was okay with, because I've had them for like, this is my second time using them. I've had them for like a week now. Yeah. Yeah, it took me a few days to get them because I had to order them online and either deliver it to my house. I didn't want next day delivery because I hate paying for delivery, my cheap ass. And you could deliver it to store, so I just let it get delivered to my nearest store, or the store to my convenience, wherever I was gonna. I can't even explain the sheen that it gives it, like, oh, it just makes it so shiny, like proper shiny. Said, please do not forget to subscribe, click like, comment and share, and thank you so much for tuning in.